The cost of Google Ads varies significantly depending on various factors such as industry, competition, targeting options, ad format, and bidding strategy. Google Ads operates on a pay-per-click model, where advertisers bid on keywords relevant to their business, and they only pay when users click on their ads. The cost per click for Google Ads can range from a few cents to several dollars or more, depending on the competitiveness of the keyword and the quality of the ad campaign. Some highly competitive industries, such as finance or insurance, may have higher CPCs compared to less competitive industries. Additionally, Google Ads allows advertisers to set daily budgets to control their spending. Advertisers can adjust their budgets based on their advertising goals and financial constraints. The average cost per click across all industries on Google Ads is around $1 to $2. However, this is just an average, and actual costs can vary significantly depending on the factors mentioned earlier. To get an accurate estimate of Google Ads costs for your specific business and advertising goals, it's recommended to use Google's Keyword Planner tool or consult with a digital marketing expert.